Good morning, students. Today we are going to study English literature book, chapter number 5. We will study today. The name of the chapter is Rupali Ba, an epitome of bravery. Rupali Ba is the name of a brave girl. Epitome means perfect example, best example of bravery. Rupali Ba is the name of a girl, and she has shown great courage and bravery in this story. So the title name is Rupali Ba, an epitome of bravery. Epitome means perfect example of bravery. So let's study the story, page number 29. We see that in almost all the chapters, first of all written before you read in the box. In the box is before you read. And if we read this box before you read, a lot of information we get about the story. First of all, we must read. Many students doesn't read, so they don't get maximum information about the story in the beginning. So let's read. Brave women do not let their confidence shake even in the most adverse conditions. Rupali Ba, a newly-wed woman, bravely faced the robbers who attacked her caravan in a desert. She fought with great courage and determination, ready to find out if she was able to foil their attack. A lot of information we have got about the story. This story is about we understand that there are many brave women who never lose their confidence, even in very bad opposite conditions, very bad situations, they never lose their confidence. Such a woman's story we will hear. Her name is Rupali Ba. She was newly married. She was newly married woman. So bravely she faced the robbers. Robbers attacked her caravan. Means when she was going in vehicles in the desert, through the desert, the robbers attacked. But she was brave woman. She fought so fiercely with great bravery that then what happens? She stopped the attack. We have to find out if she was able to stop their attack or what happened with her. She was able or unable to stop the attack. So now I read the first page. Many years ago, some Rajputs from Rajputana, Rajasthan migrated to Gujarat. With the passage of time, they became one with the local people, the Gujars. This story of a brave woman, Rupali Ba, whose ancestors had gone to Gujarat from Rajasthan. In those days, when means of transport were limited, journey from one place to another took a long time. People generally traveled in the day and avoided night journeys. These extremely difficult journeys were avoided unless they were absolutely necessary. Nobody traveled without escorts, as such escorts were in great demand. Jema was one such escort who had made a name for himself. He was very daring and wielded a sword with such an exceptional skill that even robbers fled to hear his name. Any group of travelers escorted by Jema had no fear of robbers. Praise started going into Jema's head. His fame made him boastful and he was less alert while escorting travelers. Once Jema was hired to escort a young and beautiful Rajput woman named Rupali Ba. This newly married girl who lived with her in-laws had to visit her father in another village. The route was completely deserted and the way was sandy. Being a new bride, Rupali Ba had to adorn herself with a lot of gold and silver jewelry and carry a bag of gold coins and expensive clothes. They set out on their journey in 2 bullock carts, one having Rupali Ba and her belongings and the other carrying Jema and his weapons. Food and water for the journey. As night fell, they were still traveling as there was no inn nearby. On the way, the overconfidence. 1 page. So fast I have studied. Now I am going to explain in very simple and easy words the story of 1 page. The story says that many years ago, some Rajputs is a caste, some Rajputs from Rajasthan went to live in Gujarat. Some Rajputs from Rajasthan went to live in Gujarat. And they mixed very well. They mixed very well. Gujarati people, their local people were Gujars. With the Gujars, they are very brave and courageous people, Gujars. With the Gujarati people, Gujars, they became one, became so they became one. They established, set up their relations with the local people, Gujars. And this is the story of such a brave woman, Rupali Ba, whose ancestors means forefathers, whose forefathers, ancestors had. This is the story of brave Rajput woman. Her ancestors had come from Rajasthan to Gujarat to live here. During those days, means of transport were not so many, very limited. There were not so many means of transport, and journey from one place to another place, there took a long time. So much time it took for the journey. And people generally traveled during the daytime, not in the night time. They didn't travel during the night time because night journey was so difficult, so dangerous. If there were extremely so necessary, only that situation, they traveled during night time. Otherwise, they never traveled night because night journey was so dangerous. And at night, if they traveled with the escorts. Escorts means protectors, with guards, with trained guards, protectors. They traveled with them. Such an escort protector guard was Jema. He was so famous. He was so brave, courageous, and he carried a sword in his hand, and so well he used the sword. He performed sword so well. He used sword that even the robbers, thieves and robbers, were so afraid. They ran away. Even hearing the name that Jema was nearby, robbers never came near him. The robbers also and thieves also feared Jema, that Jema was so brave, courageous, he will kill all of them. Now Jema became proud. Slowly, Jema felt that he had become so famous. Hearing his name, all the thieves and robbers run away. So he became so proud, Jema. So now he became a little careless. He became so proud and careless about his duty. What happened once Jema was hired, he has to protect a new, young, beautiful Rajput woman named Rupali Ba. She was to protect Rupali Ba. A newly married woman, her name was Rupaliba. Gemma was hired as an escort guard, as a protector. She was newly married and she was living with her husband, living at her husband's house, and now she had to go her father's village. To her father's house she was to go. The route was completely deserted. Not on the way there were not houses. They were completely deserted, lonely and sandy. Through the sand, desert, she had to go to her father's home. She was a new bride. So she was wearing a lot of gold and silver jewelry and a bag of gold coins and expensive clothes. Journey was started on 2 bullock carts drawn by oxen. 2 bullock carts. In one bullock cart, Rupali was sitting with all her costly, expensive jewelry, ornaments, and clothes. And in another bullock cart, Gemma was sitting with all his weapons and food and water for journey. When it was night, the whole day was spent so well, and when it was night, they were traveling. They did not stop the journey because Gemma was so fearless. He told not to stop the journey. He did not fear any robbers or thieves. So journey was started, and also there was not any inn on the way. Inn means a hotel, living place. There was also not any living place. So journey was also continued at night. So first page, students, I have told you in simple language. The rest of the story I'll explain you in the next class. Thank you.